Good morning everyone. Today I am going to take a lecture of discrete mathematics chapter number 3 and the topic is the complemented lattice. Okay, we have already seen in our last lecture what is the lattice, what is the complement of a lattice and what is the distributive lattice. So according to distributive lattice, the definition is what? The every element has the either 0 or 1 complement. That means at most one complement are present in the Hazer diagram. Or next one is the complemented lattice. So complemented lattice just opposite the distributive lattice. That means distributive lattice at most one complement and here at least one complement. Okay. So the definition is what? A lattice L is said to be complemented if every element for all A belongs to L must have at least one complement. Okay, that means if any element has a zero complement, that means this is not a complemented lattice. Okay, that means complemented at least one complement are present here, and the distributive lattice at most one complement are present here. So according to distributive lattice, we find out either 0 or 1 complement are present here, but we find out just opposite. If more than one complement are present here, so we find out only the opposite. Okay, and here we find out at least one complement. That means we find out here any element does not have the complement. Okay. So this is the first example A, B, C and D. Okay. So process is same here according to complement. Here the top of the element, the complement of the upper bound is equal to lower bound and complement of the lower bound is equal to upper bound. So we write here the complement of A is equal to D and complement of B is equal to A. So you write here in the examination only one. The complement of A is equal to D. So second is understood that here B complement of B is equal to A. Okay. Next one is we consider B and C. Two element. Okay. So according to B and C, the first join is top of the system D and first meet is the bottom of the system A. So we write here the complement of here B and complement of B is equal to C and the complement of C is equal to B. Okay, so according to this diagram, this is at least one complement. So yes, this, here one complements are here. So this is the complemented lattice. CL. Okay. Next one, this is the example given again the Hazer diagram, and we find out this is the complemented lattice or not. That means every element must have at least one complement. Okay. So let's start here. This is the top and this is the bottom. So we write here the complement of F is equal to A and complement of A is equal to F. Okay, next one is if we consider this E and G. This E and G. So here we find out the first join is equal to what? F. And the first meet is equal to what? A. So E complement G and G complement E. If we consider here. Next one is for example, we consider here B and C. For example, B and C. So according to B and C, first joint is D, but this is not the top of the system. And first meet is A. So no doubt, first meet is bottom of the system. But first join is not the top of the system. Okay, that means B and C here not the complement of each other. Next one is if we consider E and C. So if we consider E and C, so first meet is what? First meet is F and first join is F and first meet is what? First meet is A. So E and C again the complement of each other. So complement of E is equal to C and complement of C is equal to E. That means here the complement of E is equal to what? G comma C. Okay, that means more than one complement are present here. So it's okay. Our condition is what? Condition is must have at least one complement. Okay. Next one is if we Find out here the complement of the D. So what is the complement of the D? For example, we consider here the D and C here, because of we write here the E and D. So E and D, so complement of E and D. So first join is no top of the system F, but first bottom is what? Not the bottom of the system first weight. So D does not have any complement. Okay, so here according to this diagram we can say that this is not a complemented lattice, because of in the complemented lattice we find out in every element must have at least one complement. Okay, so according to this you find out the different elements, and if the elements at least one complement are present here, then we can say that this is the complemented lattice. But here the complement of D, if we consider for example D and C, so the first join is D and first meet is C. So this is not the top of the system and not the bottom of the system. So according to this diagram, we can say that this is not a complemented lattice. Okay. So our next topic is the Boolean algebra. So Boolean algebra, that means what? First, we find the combination of the distributive lattice and the complemented lattice is the Boolean algebra. That means according to Boolean algebra, if your complement in every element, the complement is exactly 1. Every element has a one complement, exactly one complement, then we can say that this is the Boolean algebra. Okay. Our next topic is the Boolean algebra in a lattice. So Boolean algebra, that means what? In a Hasse diagram. So in a lattice, the distributive and the complemented both are present here. That means what? That means exactly one complement are present. That means a combination of the distributive and the complemented lattice. So here a lattice L is said to be Boolean algebra if it is complemented and distributive. That means the complemented are also present here and distributive are also present here. Then we can say that this is a Boolean algebra. So you always keep in mind the simple way. Only one complement are present here in every element. Then we can say that this is a Boolean algebra. Okay. So here this is the example. This is a straight line. So we have already seen in the different types of the example. The straight line is always the lattice. Why? Because of here the single top and the single bottom are present here. That means here the complement of A is equal to what? B, and the complement of D is equal to what? A. Okay, that is here the complement of the top upper bound and the lower bound. So complement of the upper bound is equal to lower bound and complement of the lower bound is equal to upper bound. So complement of A is equal to B and complement of B is equal to A. Next one is what? If we consider this B and C. Okay, so if you consider A and B, so the join is B and meet is A. So this is not a complement of each other. If we consider B and C, so join is C and meet is B. So this is not a complement of each other. So according to B and C, the complement not exist. Complement does not exist here. B and C. That means what? This is a 0, either 0 or 1 complement are present here. Okay, because of complement of A equal to D and complement of D equal to A. But B and C does not have any complement. That means this is what? This is a distributive lattice. This is not a Boolean algebra. Okay, next one is, this is the example of the, again, the Hasse diagram. So the complement of A is equal to what? I, because of I is the top of the system and A is the bottom of the system, and the complement of I is equal to A. Okay, next one is, if we consider G and H. Listen carefully. If we consider G and H, so first meet join is the top of the system, but first meet is what? This is not the bottom of the system. That is G and H does not have any complement. Next one is if we consider D and E. So the first join is G and the first meet is what? B. So again this is not the top of the system and this is not the bottom of the system. If we consider this B and C, okay, so according to B and C, first join is E. So this is not the top of the system and first meet is A. So no doubt this is the bottom of the system, but we consider according to complement the join is top of the system and mid is the bottom of the system. Then we can say that the complement of two elements each other, complement of each other. So here D and C not complement of each other. If we consider D and F, so D and F, so first join is top of the system I and first meet is bottom of the system A. So we write here the complement of D is equal to F and the complement of F is equal to D. Okay, but here G, H, E, B and C, five elements do not have any complement. Okay, that means here the complement of D is equal to F and the complement of F is equal to D. So according to this, we have only one or zero complements are here. Then we can say that this is a distributive lattice. Okay. Our next example is A, B, C and D. So here the top of the system is D and the bottom of the system is A. So the complement of upper bound is equal to lower bound and the complement of lower bound is equal to upper bound. So we write here the complement of D is equal to A and the complement of A is equal to D. Next, we have the two elements B and the C. Okay, so if we consider B and C, so first the join is D, the top of the system, and first meet is A, the bottom of the system. Then we can say that the complement of B is equal to C and the complement of C is equal to B. That means what? According to this all these conditions, we have only one complement. Every element has only one complement. Then we can say that this is a Boolean algebra. Got it? That means according to our diagram, we have the distributive lattice. That means at most one complements are present here, or we find out here the complemented lattice. That means every element must have at least one complement are present in your diagram. But according to Boolean algebra, we can say that the complemented and distributive both are present. That means in the simple way, we always remember that only one complement are present in every element. So we can say that this is a Boolean algebra and this is the example of the Boolean algebra. Okay, our next example is A, B, C, D and E. Okay, so A and E, this is the top of the system and this is the bottom of the system. So we write here the complement of E is equal to A and the complement of E is equal to E. Got it? Next one is if we consider this B and D, two elements. So no doubt B and D, first join is E, the top of the system, but first meet is C. This is not a bottom of the system. That means B and D not the complement element of each other. Okay, next one is if we consider this B and C. For example, we consider B and C. So first join is B and first meet is C. So again, this is not a top of the system and this is not a bottom of the system. If we consider this C and D, so first join is D and the first meet is C. So again, this is not top of the system and the bottom of the system. So according to this diagram, we can say that this is what? This is a distributive lattice or this is a complemented lattice. So here the C, B and D. Okay. not have any complement according to these three elements. That means either 1 or 0 complement are present in your diagram, then we can say that this is the example of the distributive lattice. That means this is a distributive lattice. That means according to all these examples, only one example is a Boolean algebra and other examples are either distributive lattice or either complementary lattice. Okay. So according to this lecture, we find out here what is the complementary lattice, what is the distributive lattice, what is the Boolean algebra. So don't be confused here. Distributive lattice, that means at most one, that means either 0 or 1 complement are present according to your diagram. Complemented lattice, that means at least one complement are present in your Hazer diagram in every element. Okay, and the Boolean algebra, that means what? Exactly one complement are present in your diagram, then we can say that this is the Boolean algebra and this is the example of the Boolean algebra. Always, if you find out the join at the mean, so don't be confused here the sign, because of the sign of the join is this. So sometimes students are confused here and they count here this mid sign. Okay, so join, that means the top of the system and mid, that means the bottom of the system. So always we find out the complement. Okay, if you find out the distributive or if you find out the complemented lattice, so first you find the complement of every element. Okay, and what is the process? Process is that first join is the top of the system and first meet is the bottom of the system. Okay, so this is the different types of the example according to your Boolean algebra. So our next topic is depends on the this type of the example D and slash. Okay, that means what? Here we consider here the set and the operation is what? Relation is the divide relation. Okay, so I will continue this topic in our next lecture. Thank you for watching this video.